Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Yog Asana. I am Sudhanshu and today we are going to learn how to do Anjali Mudra. Anjali means offering, and in India, this mudra is often accompanied by the word Namaste. If you have attended even one yoga class, it is a familiar gesture, the drawing together of one's palm at the heart. Your teacher may bring his or her hand together while saying Namaste at the beginning or end of the class. Practicing Anjali Mudra is an excellent way to induce a meditative state of awareness. So let's do it. Sit comfortably in Siddhasana or stand in Tadasana. Inhale and bring your palms together. Rest your thumbs lightly on your sternum. Press the hand firmly but evenly against each other. Make sure your one hand doesn't dominate the other. If you find such imbalance, release the dominant hand slightly but don't increase the pressure of non-dominant hand. Bow your head slightly, making the crease of the neck towards the center of the head. Lift your sternum into the thumbs and lengthen down along the sides of the armpit, making your back elbow heavy. Start your practice sitting in meditation in Anjali Mudra for 5 minutes. You can also use this hand position in Tadasana prior to beginning the sun salutation. If we talk about the benefits of Anjali Mudra, it reduces stress and anxiety. It calms the mind. It creates flexibility in wrist, fingers, hands and arms. It also opens the heart. So that's it for today. Hope you will practice this at home. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.